Good morning, everyone. I'm Bibi Lambino, assigned reporter for today. Now, I will continue the discussion started by Mark Kim Laura about writing a business and technical report. But before that, please make sure to watch his presentation first so you can understand it better. In writing a business and technical report, there are 5 types of formal reports. The first is the informational report, second is the analytical report, third is the recommendational report, fourth is the research report, and lastly, the case study analysis report. An informational report provides objective and data facts on a specific topic without offering analysis or recommendations. Its primary purpose is to educate the reader about a particular subject. These reports focus strictly on presenting the facts as they are, allowing the reader to draw their own conclusions. Examples include monthly sales reports, accident summaries, or status updates on a project. They are essential for keeping stakeholders informed about current situation or progress. An analytical report presents results and then analyzes them to draw conclusions about why or how something happened. It goes beyond mere information delivery to interpret the data and uncover underlying causes or trends. These reports aim to solve problems or answer specific questions posed in introduction. They often involve comparing data, identifying patterns, and explain the significance of the findings. The conclusion derived from the analysis are a key component of this report type. Recommendational report. A recommendation report advocates a specific course of actions based on the result and conclusion drawn from analysis. It builds upon the analytical report's finding to suggest the most efficient or effective solution. This type of report is persuasive, using evidence to convince the reader that the proposed action is the best choice, while cost and other consideration may influence the final recommendations. The report clearly outlines the suggested path forward. It is designed to guide decision-making and initiate actions. Research report. A research report is a document that presents the result of a systematic investigation or study on a particular topic or issue. It is widely used at the university level and in professional research settings. The report details the methodology used, the data collected, the analysis performed, and the final conclusion or findings. This ensures the study can be replicated and the findings verified by others in the field. Research reports contribute to the body of knowledge on a subject and follow a formal structured format. Case study analysis report. A case study analysis report focuses on real-life example to illustrate a particular problem, situation, or theory. It involves an in-depth examination of a single case or a small number of cases. These reports are often used in university competitions and business education to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The analysis typically involves identifying the key issues within the case, applying relevant theories or frameworks, and proposing potential solutions or lessons learned. This format helps bridge the gap between theory and particular applications. Next one is the parts of reports. The title page, table of contents, executive summary, introductions, methods, and findings. Lastly is the conclusions. Title page. The title page is the very first page of a report and sets the initial tone for the document. It typically includes the full title of the report, which should be concise yet descriptive. This page also lists essential identifying information such as the name of the person or organization for whom the report was prepared, the name of the authors or team members who created it, and the date of submission. A key characteristic is that it is purely factual and does not contain a page number, although It is counted in the overall page count of the document. Its primary function is to provide immediate context and ownership details to the readers. Table contents. The table contents or TOC acts as a roadmap for the entire report, guiding the reader through its structures and organization. It lists all major headings and subheadings within the report, along with their corresponding starting page numbers. Conventionally, dots or leaders are used to connect the heading to text the page number for readability, like the title page. The TOC page itself does not usually have a visible page number. It is factual section designed for easy navigation and quick reference to specific sections of interest within the larger documents. Executive Summary. The Executive Summary is a crucial standalone section that provides a concise overview of the entire report, typically limited to one page. Its purpose is to allow busy readers such as executives the drafts, the report's core contents, findings, and recommendations without reading the full documents. It summarizes the problem addressed, the method used, the key results found, and the main conclusion drawn. This section is factual, objective, and written using third-person passive verbs. It is often considered page 1 of the report. Introduction. The introduction serves to orient the reader to the report subject matter and context. It provides necessary background information to ensure the reader understands the relevance of the topic. These sections define the specific problem or issue the report addresses and outline the scope and any limitations of the investigation. It may also state the specific research question or objectives that the report aims to answer. The introduction is factual and maintains an objective tone, often utilizing third-person and passive verbs. Methods. The method section details the specific procedures, techniques, and data sources that were used to arrive at the findings presented later in the report. This section should be written with enough clarity and precision that another researcher could potentially replicate the study or investigation. It explains how data was collected, who the participants were, if applicable, and any specific tools or analytical approaches that were employed. It remains factual and objective, consistently using third-person passive verbs to describe the actions taken. Findings. The findings section is where the results of the investigation, research, calculations, or analysis are presented. It involves discussions, analyzing, and interpreting the results, which is supported by the evidence gathered. Findings should be organized logically using clear headings and subheadings for readability. The presentation should be objective, focusing strictly on just the facts and avoiding personal opinions or biases. This section lays the empirical groundwork for the conclusion that follow. Conclusion. The conclusion section draws inferences and meaning directly from the findings presented in the previous section. It relates these findings back to the original report, issue, or research question posed in the introduction. Conclusion should be limited strictly to the data presented within the report and avoiding introducing new information. They are often numbered for clarity, presented in a parallel form, and remain objective. Transition signals like "it seems that" are used to link the data-driven observation to the final interpretation. Thank you for watching.